This is the see it, try it, speak it, Niel, the silent watcher. Take a moment to look at the image. What do you see? On your own, try to make 2 to 3 English sentences that describe the image. Please pause the video while you do this, and take your time. Pause now. Excellent. Did you say there is an owl? The owl has 2 large black eyes. They are brown in color. They have talons on their feet. These are some examples of things you could have said about the image. Now, let's take a look at the image description. Niel stands firmly on a thick wooden post. His feathers are a mix of brown and black, resembling rough, weathered tree bark. The fine patterns on his feathers create natural camouflage, blending him seamlessly into his surroundings. His eyes are large and deep, glowing with an intense black hue. Dark feathers around his eyes enhance the contrast, making his gaze even more striking. His beak is small but sharp and curves slightly downward. Niel's legs are thick, covered in rough scales, and his sharp talons grip the wood tightly, ensuring perfect balance. His wings rest close to his body, with the tips of the feathers slightly extending outward. The background is a blend of blue and brown tones, harmonizing with Niel's earthy colors. His presence is silent yet powerful, like a true guardian of the night. Now that we have gone over the image description, it's time to do the next 10 questions. While you do these questions, first, take your time, and second, pause the video as you do them. Afterwards, we will go over the answers together. Pause now. All right, let's get started. Question 1. What kind of bird is Niel? And he is C, an owl. We know this from the image as well as the description confirming it. Question 2. What colors are Niel's feathers? And they are C, brown and black. We see light brown, dark brown, and black in the color of his feathers in the image. Question 3. What is notable about Niel's eyes? Notable means something you notice or take note of. And the answer is B. They are large and deep black. They pull you into their darkness. Question 4. Where is Niel perched? Perched is when birds are sitting on the edge of something or sitting up on something. The answer here is B, on a thick wooden post. We know this because we see the post in the image and the description tells us the post is thick and wooden. Question 5. How does Niel's feather pattern help him? B. It provides natural camouflage. He blends in with the trees and the tree bark, making it hard for others to find him. Question 6. What do Niel's talons do? A. They grip the wood tightly for balance. They hold him in place so he does not fall or falter. The answer is A, as we were told in the image description. Question 7. How is Niel's beak described? The answer here is again A. Small but sharp, curving downward. As a downward curve for when they are hunting for food. Question 8. How do the colors in the background relate to Niel? So, B. They blend well with his earthy tones. They make it so that he hides in there when needed and it's harder to find him, protecting him from hunters and predators, but also making him hard to find for the animals that he is going to eat for dinner. The answer is B. Question 9. What makes Niel seem like a powerful figure? The answer here is A. His silent presence and intense gaze. Owls' eyes are very powerful. They pull you in and they make you look at them. They command you to pay attention. The answer here is A, as we were told with these same words in the image description: silent presence and intense gaze. Question 10. What feeling does Niel's presence create? B. A mysterious and watchful atmosphere. He's looking at everything, he's taking it all in. It's a mysterious and watchful atmosphere. B. Now that we have done these 10 questions together, go back with our ebook and do them again. Take your time as you do the questions. Our ebook will provide a description of each question as well as a detailed explanation for why each answer is correct. Please also reread the image description 2 to 3 more times. This will help you with your English understanding, sentence structure, and vocabulary building. Last but not least, go back, look at the image again. Make more sentences. It's great practice. In today's lesson, we described Niel the owl. Did you like the lesson? Was it enjoyable? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification button. You can also check the description box below for the link to our ebook, See It, Try It, Speak It. It is available only at the Google Store and will be 30% off for 3 months. No matter how challenging it looks, never give up. English isn't hard when you're with me. In fact, English is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for your support and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so we can keep making content for you and we can continue this English journey together. Until next time, bye-bye for now.